Hey guys, it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me to see my subscribers grow each day. So I do want to update you guys about what I said in my last video regarding my relationship, and things are going really good. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been nothing but understanding and supportive. Honestly, the best advice that I have gotten out of all of this was from an incredible girl from my hometown. I won't say her name because I don't know if that's like weird or not, but she'll know it's her when I say what she said. Just gonna find her message. She said, "Sometimes things have to fall apart so they can come back together even stronger." Like, yes. That was seriously the best advice that anyone gave me out of all of that. I mean, okay, do not be offended by that if you gave me advice, because everyone said so many great things. But that was the one thing that just stuck with me. Our week break felt like a year. So yeah, anyways, I don't know, I'm keeping it as brief and simple as possible on my YouTube channel. I guess just to keep people updated, but also to not be super full of drama and sitting down and giving you guys like from point A to B what happened. It doesn't matter. The only people that need to know are our close friends and family. So I am buzzing off the caffeine again. Like, did I need this large iced coffee? No. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. So anyways, today's video is gonna be a SHEIN haul. I have had this box sitting in my closet for well over a week now. I'm just waiting until I could film an unboxing video. I was like, oh no, maybe I should just open it all and then I could still film like a haul. I love filming my raw reaction. I just feel like that makes for such like true raw content, and that's what I want. So one sweater did ship separately, and then everything else I ordered came in one box. There's a lot of good stuff. I have ordered from SHEIN before and I was very happy with my order. It actually ships pretty fast. I have received my shipments within like a week of placing my order, so that's pretty good considering it's all coming from across the globe. Just pulling up my order. So I am first going to open this separate package. I really hope that I love everything that I got. Oh wow, this is really big. Okay, I ordered a size small. Shoot. Okay, maybe it'll be cute on and I can kind of like roll up the sleeves. At least they didn't ship me the incorrect size. So obviously it is supposed to be oversized then. So I didn't really get that vibe from the pictures online. This is what it looks like on their website. So cute. I am gonna throw this on and I'll be right back. All right, here it is. I feel like I'm kind of wearing a potato sack. I think the material will get softer once it's washed and dried, but I actually really like how oversized it is. No. Oh, I hate that light right there. So yeah, I really like it. I think this will be super cute with some boots and tall socks poking out. I'm happy with this. Yay! Okay, so next clothing item that I ordered is a loose fit crop sweater. Feels very soft. Yep, this is super cute. So this is what it looks like. There is a crop to it, but it's nothing dramatic. This is what it looks like online. Again, looks exactly like the pictures. All right, time to get this one on. This is super cute. It is the perfect cropped length to wear with high-waisted leggings, high-waisted jeans. I am super happy with this purchase. The material is very soft and cozy, and it fits perfectly. Thumbs up for this one as well. The next one that I'm about to open here is also a white sweater. It's super cute and in style. You guys will know exactly what I mean when you see it. Ooh, nice and thick material. So cute. It has those frayed ends and frayed sleeves. Ooh, I definitely did good with getting warm clothes because I'm like sweating wearing these sweaters right now. I'm mainly focused on getting warmer clothes for fall and winter because, you know, that's pretty much all we get in Wisconsin. This is what the sweater looks like online. All right, let's try her on. Here it is. I love it and I am so happy about it because the reviews were kind of mixed on it. Some people were like, oh, it doesn't even stay up on the shoulders, this and that, but It's staying on the shoulders perfectly. I love it. This top is a long sleeve off the shoulder top. Oh, it's really stretchy. This is what it looks like. It has this cute little, like, they call it lettuce detailing. And this is what it looks like on their website. Super cute. All right, here it is on me. I don't like this very much. It doesn't really stay up that good, as you can tell. Yeah, I'm probably gonna give this one a thumbs down. Yeah, this just doesn't fit right at all. I know if I wore this out to a bar or something, I would be irritated all day long. This is another sweater that I ordered. I do think that the material of this one looks better online, but it still isn't bad. This is what it looks like. I love how the sleeves are cuffed at the ends. For some reason, I thought it was just gonna be kind of like a silkier material, I guess. I don't know, just by judging it from the online picture. It is just your typical sweater material, which is fine. Let's get it on. I should probably find a different phrase. I like it. I think this sweater is perfect for fall. I love the sleeves the most, that's for sure. I think the sleeves in the pocket really make this sweater what it is. I love the size. I love that I can wear it with leggings and it covers my bootay. And I actually really like the color of it. Like I could do a pretty mauve-y fall eyeshadow tutorial while wearing this. All right. Okay, this one's gonna be kind of iffy. Oh boy. Okay, it's like see-through. I definitely don't know how I feel about this. These little strings at the bottom here, you just kind of pull those together and then it cinches in the middle. Okay, let's see what it looks like online. Oh, it looks actually really cute online. Enough talking about this one. I'm gonna put this on and see if I like it or not. Gosh, I don't even want to go in front of the camera wearing this. My family watches these videos. Okay, here it is. I absolutely hate it. So this is horrible. I mean, it's actually terrible. You guys. It's so sloppy. It's not comfy whatsoever. And I'm all about comfort, so definitely thumbs down for me. If it was just this like lettuce top that I didn't like, I probably wouldn't care about returning it. But since I don't like this one too, I'm probably gonna have to send some stuff back here. Only 2 things haven't worked so far, so I'll take it. I mean, come on, who wants these strings hanging like that? I don't know. This neck shirt is especially iffy. I'm actually gonna show you guys this one online before I hold it up and unbox it. Okay, I mean, it's out there, but I just figured, I don't know, I pictured me wearing this top while filming a cute little like Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Even if I only wear it for that, at least I could get some use out of it. This is what this next top looks like. I don't know, I just think it's so girly and cute and fun. So let's open it up, see what it looks like in person. Okay, it is entirely see-through. You can see my face through it. Come on. There's strings hanging from the bottom of it, but this is what it looks like. I don't know. Seriously, I think I'm about to go rehearse for Rapunzel or something. I apologize that you can see my bra. It is completely see-through and I cannot find where I put my nude strapless bra, so this one is a hard pass. Don't know what I was thinking. Let's just pretend this part of the video never happened. I'm gonna return this. Okay, that one was very rough. This next sweater, you guys, I am so excited about this one and I will be so disappointed if it doesn't meet my expectations. You know what, I actually like showing you guys what it looks like before opening it up in real life. So this is the sweater that I'm about to open. You guys, isn't this super, super cute for fall? I mean, come on. The package so far, so good. I also thought that this was gonna be more of like a slippery, silky material, but it is just that typical sweater fabric. I don't know if it'll be as long as I want it to be. It's supposed to be a loose fitting turtleneck, so we'll see. Come on. All of a sudden everything sucks now. So this is a size small. I definitely would go for a medium or a large. I do want to reorder this because I am so in love with the pictures online, but this size is just, it's not right for me. Like this just isn't it. I've loved everything up until that darn lettuce shirt. Next up, we have a bodysuit. So I mean, this is pretty basic. I don't see this turning out bad. Actually looks like it's gonna fit me good. So It's just like a plain black t-shirt, except it's a bodysuit. Oh my God, I can't get over the way I look in this turtleneck. Let's just get this on as fast as possible. So I just threw on a pair of shorts to show you what this one would look like. So I mean, it's plain, simple, comfy. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this because it's just basic and cute, and yeah. All right, thumbs up for this one. So the next thing that I have to open is this sweater. It looks really cozy and soft online. This sweater is one size, so let's open it up, see if it fits. Oh, it is really soft. Okay, this is really cute. It's just a simple turtleneck sweater. I'm thinking of that one SpongeBob song where it's like, when's the best time? You know what I mean? Okay, anyways, so this is really cute. So I'm just gonna put this on. All right, so I actually love this sweater. When I first put it on, I did kind of feel like I was wearing a neck brace, but when I just played with it a little bit, it got a little bit looser, and I'm sure it'll only get better after it's washed, but okay, now I'm having problems. All right, there we go. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute, especially just for like cold winter days. I think this will look so cute with leggings and boots on. So I approve. Oh my God, I am sweating. Whew. So there's two more things to open. Oh, like olive green hearts. Okay, so I just want to show you guys this one online. This neck shirt is also an iffy one. I wasn't sure how this one would be in person, but online I think it looks super cute, girly, fun, and kind of fancy. I thought that these were like gray hearts on this, but they are like an olive green. I think this one is also going to be very sloppy. It is more cropped than I thought it would be too, so let's see how this one looks on. You guys, seriously? Oh, look at that. Okay, no. Another thing that's gonna be super iffy. I ordered jeans. This is what they look like online. It looks super cute in these pictures. Let's put them to the test. Right, the butt looks actually huge on these. I went with a medium just because people were saying they're kind of short if you're tall, and I'm 5'7", so okay, let's get them on. These do fit very awkwardly. They're very big and baggy in the crotch. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but and the pockets are like on my hips. They're really tight on my calves, and they're also short. So all right, guys, so I am going to be returning these jeans as well. I did really like some of the sweaters that I ordered. At least, you know, some things worked out. It would suck if nothing worked out. I hope that you guys had fun watching me try these on and see my first impression of all of these. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Oh my God. Okay, so I had to turn on my AC because I'm seriously about to have a heat stroke. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to film. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!